Are you trying to decide between QuillBot and Spinbot for paraphrasing and rewriting? Let's dive into a side-by-side comparison of both tools to see which one can better serve your needs. But before we get started, I want to make sure you stick around till the end. I'll be sharing a powerful alternative that might just blow both of these out of the water. Let's begin with QuillBot, one of the most popular paraphrasing tools available. Its strength lies in its versatility. QuillBot offers a range of modes like standard, fluency, and creative, allowing you to adjust the output to your preferred style. Whether you're writing an academic paper or a blog post, it can match the tone you need. But here's the thing, while it's good for casual use, it sometimes struggles with maintaining the original meaning, especially when you push the creativity settings too far. Next, let's talk about Spinbot. Spinbot is an older tool, but it's still frequently used by many content creators. The main advantage? It's entirely free, which can be a huge bonus if you're on a budget. However, Spinbot tends to generate more awkward phrasing, which means you'll spend more time cleaning up the results. It's definitely a tool for people in a rush who don't mind doing some extra editing, but if you're looking for refined and polished output, you might get frustrated. The third thing to consider is the ease of use. QuillBot wins here, hands down. Its interface is sleek, modern, and intuitive. It's designed to be user-friendly, even for beginners. Spinbot, on the other hand, has an outdated and clunky interface that can feel a bit like a step back in time. Now, let's address pricing. QuillBot offers both free and premium versions. The free version is solid, but if you want access to more advanced features, you'll need to upgrade. On the flip side, Spinbot is free, but comes with limitations. It only allows a certain number of words per spin, and you'll have to deal with those imperfections in the final output. Next, we should consider the accuracy and grammar of the generated content. QuillBot does a decent job of keeping things grammatically correct, but occasionally, you'll find that it overcomplicates simple sentences or introduces errors. Spinbot, as I mentioned before, has a higher tendency to produce ungrammatical sentences or nonsensical phrases, so it's not the best for professional or polished writing. Now, let's talk about the value you get with each tool. QuillBot's premium version, although paid, offers features like a plagiarism checker, which could save you a lot of time and headache if you're writing for professional purposes. Spinbot doesn't come with these added features, so if you're working on something that requires multiple layers of checks and balances, Spinbot may fall short. The last thing I want to mention is speed. Both tools are fast, but Spinbot can sometimes slow down if you're working with longer text blocks. It's certainly not the most reliable when you're on a time crunch. To wrap things up, QuillBot and Spinbot both have their strengths, but they also have their drawbacks. They're both good, but after trying all of them myself, I have to say that there's a better alternative for achieving more accurate and professional results. If you want to see what I mean, take advantage of the free trial in the first link in the description. You'll get the best deal and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Don't miss it.